thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Western County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 10 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Malta to near Solnock to near Sheridan to near Streeter, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plymouth, Sandwich, and Newark around 8:50 p.m. Yorkville around 8:55 p.m. Montgomery, Sugar Grove, and Maple Park around 9 p.m. Aurora, Oswego, Morris, North Aurora, Boulder Hill, Elburn, and Lily Lake around 9:05 p.m. Plainfield, St. Charles, Batavia, Geneva, Camden Hills, and Mazon around 9:10 p.m. Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, West Chicago, Minooka, South Elgin, Shorewood, Warrenville, Wayne, and Valley View around 9:15 p.m. Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Shanahan, Coal City, Lisle, Winfield, and West Dundee around 9:20 p.m. Downers Grove, Lombard, Hanover Park, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Roselle, Darien, Bloomingdale, and Crest Hill around 9:25 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Area for the last few minutes here or so. Tornado warning for Lake County and into northern and
A tornado warning remains in effect until 9 p.m.